Hi there, deciding what to do with your house when it's time to move? Should you sell and start a new adventure and keep it as a rent or keep it as a rental to build some long-term wealth?
That's a great question, and it's not always an easy one. Whether you're curious about earning income from renting or worried about the challenges of being a landlord, there's a lot of things to think about.
Let's dive into some key questions to help you decide. First up, is your house a good fit for renting? If you are moving far away from the neighborhood, or is the neighborhood isn't ideal for rentals, or if the house needs a lot of work selling money.
Next, are you ready for the realities of being a landlord? It's more than just collecting rent. You could be handling late-night maintenance calls, repairing damages, or dealing with tenants who break their lease.
And don't forget about the costs. Even with if renting sounds profitable, there are expenses like mortgage payments, property taxes, insurance, and upkeep. Plus, if your property is empty between tenants, that's lost income.
Ultimately, whether you sell or rent your home depends on your personal situation. It's important to weigh the pros and the cons and get professional advice so you can make the best decisions for your future.
If you like this video and you feel that it helped you, give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more real estate tips.
And if you have any questions or need professionalized advice, we're here to help you. Thanks for watching and see you next time.
We're Alejandra and Elias with Empire Fine Home.